Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful sequin embellished pintuck work straight cut pant with side slits. So let's get started. For this I took around 2 meters of fabric, plain cotton fabric. So this is the open side and from the top mark 2 inches downward. Make a straight line for the belt purpose. And onto this line you need to mark fourth part of your waist, adding 1 inch, that is 10.25 inches here I am taking in my case. And now from this point mark your crotch length, that is fourth part of your waist, adding 2 inches. I am making 11.25 inches. Make a corner by joining these 2 points. Now here go 2 inches more and give a curve like this. Now place your measuring tape like this and find the center point. Now the total length of my pant is 36 inches. I am adding 2 inches for pin tucks and 2 inches for hemming. So total 40 inches I am marking here from the belt line. Give a straight line by joining these points. And now from the open side, mark the same center point, 6.2 in my case. Now here you need to measure your ankle. So fourth part of your ankle mark 3 inches here. The total ankle I am having is 12 inches. Now join these 2 points by using the leg ruler. So the front part is ready. Now we need to cut this out. By following these steps, you will get a very comfortable and smart straight cut pant. This will not at all look like a loose pajama pant. Instead, it will look like a cigarette pant. Now let's make the back pattern. First, from the top mark 2 inches downward. Give a straight line and onto this line you need to place your front pattern in this way. Set it, pin it. And now first you need to extend the crotch. So from here mark 2 inches. Give a straight line and now extend this line by 2 inches more and give a crotch shape in this way. And now from here just give 1 inch extra gap because we are making a straight cut pant, not a pajama, so you just need to give only 1 inch. Now join these points. The length will remain the same, 40 inches for the back side also, and the inner leg side also will be the same. So trace it, extend this belt line and join it with the waistline by giving a slanting line like this. Now you need to cut this out. So first join the crotch areas of both the front and back side. So here I gave double stitch and also I overlocked it. Now let's make the pockets. So take 2 pieces and now fold it from the middle, and then from the top mark 2 inches and then 4 inches downward, half inch inside, give a straight line. Now this is the another pocket I'm making. Do the same with this, and on your pant, the front side of your pant mark 2 inches, then 3 inches downwards more, and then 4 inches more. Here you can take 5 or 6 inches also according to your hands width. Now extend this line around 1/4 inch more and then join it by giving a line. Now place the pockets on top of this, and now you need to give a stitch here like this. After giving a stitch, just give a slit. You can either give it inside this line or outside this line. I'm showing you both the methods on my 2 pockets. Now after giving the slit, just give a curve like this and then cut this out. And then you need to sew it. Now after sewing, cut the edge and turn it towards the right side. So pockets are almost ready. Now this is the inside slit. It will give you this result, and the outside slit pattern will look like this. So both ways are fine, whatever you like you can give it. Now place both the front and back pattern, and first you need to join the inner leg side. So start from the crotch area, match them and just sew it. Here also I had given double stitch and the overlock stitch. See? Now after joining the inner leg, we'll make the pin tucks here. So leaving around 1 inch from the bottom, just give half inch markings. Whatever pin tucks you want to give, it all depends on you. Now make the lines and then start giving the pin tucks. Just close to this edge, give your stitches. Now after giving the pin tucks, it will look like this. Now I'm going to embellish it with the sequins. You can choose any color of your choice. I'm going to stick it with the fabric glue, but you can also give a simple machine stitch to attach it to your fabric, or by hand also you can do it. Any ways are fine, but I found this one a very easy method, so I'm making this by simply sticking it with a glue. This way is very easy and you will enjoy to make this pant. If you want to decorate your cuffs, this is even a very easy method. So if you want to make a designer sequined cuff, a pin tuck work cuff, then you can use this method for your full sleeves. Now after sticking, how neat and clean and a beautiful work it's having. So done the same with the other piece of the pant too. And now let's take 2 strips more to make the side slits. 13.5 inches longer and 4.5 inches wider. Now I'm going to give a 2-inch slit here, so I'm marking 2.5 inches from the bottom. Half inch will go in the stitching. So In this strip also mark 2.5 inches and now join these two by placing right on right the fabric. Match the points, and now from here you need to just fold your fabric in this way. Just match the markings, fold your fabric, and now start giving these stitches here. This way you will get a very clean and finished slits. Just leave around ½ inch in the bottom side and give a stitch. Now cut the extra fabric and then again give one more stitch. Do the same with the other side also. Now after giving this stitch, just turn it towards the right side and in the back I'm going to stick this by using this fusing tape. So just iron it and it will get sticked. See how neat and clean these slits are looking. Now we need to join the sides of the pant. So just pin it and give a stitch from here. Leave this part ½ inch each side and then start sewing straight. Just make sure not to stitch on top of your pockets. Okay, here also I had given double stitch and the overlock stitch I am going to give. And now give one more top stitch to give it a neat, clean and professional look to your pant. Stretch both the sides and start giving the top stitch. See, this is how it will look. Now my slits are ready. See the clean finishings, just like a ready-made garment. Nobody will say you made it at home. Now doing the same top stitch to the other side of the pant too, by stretching both the sides. Now let's make the belt part. So first I am concealing the raw edges by giving a simple hem. Now fold it 2 inches more and make a space for your belt. Just leave around 1 inch to insert the elastic. Give a small pleat towards the back side. Now let's cut the elastic. Whatever is your waist size, just decrease 3 inches or 4 inches extra and cut the elastic according to your waist length. Now insert it and attach it by giving few stitches. Now stretch the elastic, adjust it with the fabric, stretch and sew it one more time by giving a top stitch to keep it on place. This is how it will look. So my pant is ready. Very much comfortable for the summers. You can pair it with any long or short kurtis or t-shirts. Hope you gained something from this video. If you did, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.